Alright guys, hey, I'm outside with the HS Southern Cross. This is the HS220. So I went ahead and uploaded the app on my Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I have it set in airplane mode. I'll turn on the Wi-Fi in just one moment. Let me go ahead and get this battery all the way in here. And always remember this mark right here means it's the front of the drone when it's folded, so that way you know which way forward is. And then when it's unfolded, it would be this spot right here with the drone on it. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn it on. Alright, let me go ahead and link it. Turn the controller on. Up, down. Okay, we're linked. Let's go into the Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi, turn it on. Like I said, when you're running these toy drones, go and put it in airplane mode and then turn on the Wi-Fi. That way you don't have any of your apps running, that way it won't interfere. So there's Holystone FPV-51. Alright, I'm going to connect to that. Okay, we're connected. And I should have picture once I go back into the app here. Let's open it up. Alright, press start. I'm going to allow them to go into my photos. It's asking about audio. And I should have picture here in a second. Alright, let's see what it's saying right now. Yes, allowing them access, so let's see if I can get this on here. That's this virtual sticks. Let me shut that off. Okay, so we will only have camera once this is actually opened all the way up because it's blocking the camera. So let me open it up so I can film. So there's the camera here. So now I have Wi-Fi. So it is quite a bit of lag. You can see how much I'm moving the drone. Okay, up. See, that's a big lag. You guys could see that. So it's just more for kids on the video part. So I just wanted to show you that we don't have to press this button. That's only when I fold it. I'm going to go ahead and start the video by long press here. It says that it is recording, so it should be recording here. Yeah, don't say any indicator, it just shows that this is lit up here, but there's the time right there. Okay, we're recording. So let me go ahead, we've got quite a bit of wind coming this way, about 2 to 3 miles an hour. So let me go ahead and start it up. I'm going to put it in third rate. There's third rate. Let me take it up. Alright, not too bad. Hopefully you guys could see this. Like I said, it's pretty windy, so I'm not going to be doing any range test or anything. I'll wait till I can get to a park for that. I'm just kind of in the backyard right now checking it out. Wind's picking it up a little bit, but it's still holding its ground. The video's not too bad looking, at least, so it's not bad. Hopefully the orientation, I hope you guys can see this when I play back the film. Orientation is going to be off, but it is cutting through that wind in third rate, so that is nice. Let me flip it around. That's not too bad. Let's go ahead and do a flip, guys. There we go. Flip there. Back flip. Alright. Try a sideways flip. Yeah, some really nice tight flips there. But it is holding up in the wind, you guys, so that makes it really nice. I was just kind of worried about that because I don't want to lose it on the roof over here. It's fighting that wind, but it's doing a good job. Yeah, not bad at all. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. Let's do a one key land here. You want to guide it in as it's landing. It's holding up to that wind. It's pretty windy. I know you guys can't see it on film, but it is holding up really well. Okay, should be shutting down here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to shut off the film. You can either press the button on here, or you can actually press the button right here, you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and fold it. I'm going to get out of this app and fly it as a whoop. So let's go ahead and get out of this. Alright, I'm going to get off the phone. I'm going to fold these in. Now you can't use the camera because the camera is now blocked. So, alright, so here's where the front's going to be here. So let me go ahead and set this down. Alright guys, I folded it in. For some reason I pressed the button by accident. It's real sensitive. Let me bind it again. Alright, I don't need the phone anymore since the camera's blocked now. So I am going to press this button here. Let it know it's in whoop mode. It's in the smaller mode. There's third rate. Let's see how it does when it's smaller. It's not going to be as stable probably, so go ahead and take off. Yeah, so it's not going to cut the wind as well as it was when it was bigger. So it is definitely fighting the wind right now. Yep, here comes the 5-mile-an-hour gust, and it is cutting it. So that's awesome. That's doing better than I thought. Look out, sweetheart. Sorry, I'm having my daughter look out. Go over there and play. I think the only mosquito right now is the drone. I think we're scaring all the mosquitoes with the drone right now. She said there's too many mosquitoes. Now this thing's actually pretty nice. And I don't think this does flips while it's in this mode. No, it won't flip while it's in when it's folded down like that. So you're only going to be able to film. You're only going to be able to film and do flips when it is folded all the way out, you guys. But still, pretty stable. It's not bad at all. I'll take it inside the house and do a short flight in the house to show you how well it flies indoors. And indoors, my place isn't that big, so that way you can see how it does. Which this thing is really steady. It's a really good drone. Alright guys, hey, I'm indoors. I'm going to do a quick indoor flight. Hey, one thing I did realize when I came indoors that this actually has 4 rates of speed, not 3. So you do have a 4th rate on here, which gives it a lot more pitch. When I was outside, I put it in 4th rate. The battery started to get low, and I had to bring this thing down. That's the point I wanted to tell you about too, is you can actually take the battery out of the quadcopter, put it in the controller. It has enough juice to run the controller, and put the battery from the controller that's charged up more into the drone, and you can get more longer of a flight, okay? So I'm going to start off this first flight with it folded in. I'm not going to press in that button to indicate that it's folded, and I wanted to show you what happens when it takes off without pressing that button in, so you can see in case it happens to you and you don't realize it's a button that's causing that. I'm going to show you that in the flight real quick. So, alright guys, do a quick indoor flight. After that, we'll finish up the flight outside in the conclusion. So, stay tuned. Alright, let's get this all bound. Up, down, it's bound. Alright, your orientation is that mark right there, like I was saying in the video earlier. Let me go ahead and take this up. Let's go to rate 2. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up right now. See? No button pressed. See how it goes crazy? Alright, so there is that. So if you don't press this button right here, the drone thinks it's got all the arms open and it won't fly right. Now that I press that, see the light changes? It'll light up even more like a brighter white light. So now let's take off. There we go. Nice and clean. And like I said, I'm in second rate, so it flies pretty good. Indoors, not bad at all. I put in, there's third, there's fourth. So you get a little bit more of a pitch, not much more, but so flies really good indoors, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down, and then I'm gonna go and fold it out, and let's see how it does when it's completely unfolded. So let me shut that off. Fold this out really quick here. Alright, now your orientation, this will be the front right here. Let's see, there's the camera. Alright, so I did shut the button off. Let me press the start up here. Alright, so I'm in fourth rate right now, so you can see this thing flies really well. I'm in a small spot right here. In a small spot right here, but it still goes pretty good. Turns a little tighter when it's collapsed in, but it does pretty good. You have a bigger place, you'd be able to fly a lot easier. Let me put it in rate 1. Still pretty sporty for indoors, so let's check out these flips. That's what I wanted to show you indoors. The flips are really tight. I'm going to press this up here. Oh, a little too high up. Here we go. Let's try it right now. Sideways. Well, that's actually backwards. Sideways. There we go. Super tight flips, so this thing does flip really well. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a quick indoor flight, and you know, it does really well. Like I said, I just wanted to show you what happens when you don't press this button when you have it folded in. But it does have 4 rates of speed, like I was saying. The flips work really well indoors, and other than that, you know, I haven't seen anything wrong with this. I've had nothing but good things with this, good flight. So let's go back outdoors, finish up the outdoor flight, and then we'll get to the conclusion. Stay tuned. I give this one 2 thumbs up, you guys. I really like this one, not only because of the cool factor, but it is a very steady drone and it flies really nice. Yeah, really nice. Yep, I definitely like this one. You guys are going to like it. You guys order this one, you're definitely going to enjoy it. It's worth it. I want another one. Woo! Almost hit that pole. Yeah, that thing's really nice. Now, hopefully you guys can see this really good. Try to keep it up. I don't want to take it up too high. I don't want birds attacking it because there's a couple hawks over here and a couple other birds that are being territorial right now. So really nice drone, you guys. I really like this one. Let me bring it back down. Automatic land, you'll have to guide it. It's self-landing right now. Yeah, that's awesome. Really awesome, you guys. This thing is just definitely got that really cool factor. I enjoy this one. This is definitely going to be one I take with me to fly around. I'm kind of curious to see if it can hold a FPV cam on there, one of those all-in-one. Maybe I could use a stick battery, make it lighter. But yeah, I sure appreciate you watching. Holy Stone, thank you guys so much for sending this out to me. You guys are an awesome company, and I always enjoy your products. And this one to me is definitely 2 thumbs up. I really like this one. And I wanted to mention DJ Soul Force. I mentioned you in the unboxing. I wanted to mention you again here for helping me find this company here, and for your awesome review that you did of it and helped me out being able to get this one started. So thank you for that, DJ. Alright, you guys, always a pleasure having you watch. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here today, so I do thank you. And I'd like to thank all the guys that are subscribed and the newcomers. So if you're new to the channel, hey, hit that like and subscribe button. I sure appreciate it. And definitely hit the notifications. That way you can always see what's coming new to the channel, Big Drone Flyer 77. So, alright guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.